welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I said that. I'm kinda excited and nervous excited. I don't know, it's just, I feel like it's been such a long time since I vlogged something. I shared a video like how I felt about having a channel or continue creating and sharing and so many other things. It wasn't like vlogging or something, it was kind of different type of content. For the couple months, I've kind of tried filming, but I didn't felt like picking up the camera and filming all the time. But I got a few scenes for you, so we shall see that. Sorry for the dog barking. I love this place so much. What is that noise? What is that? Anyway, for the 2025, one of my intention was spending more time in nature, and we kind of accomplished that. We went for camping several times and we just enjoyed our time during the cold days. Later on, like for the springtime, we went family visiting, engagement party, we saw some friends. It was really nice for us to just visit, see the loved ones and spend time with them. It was great actually. I kind of spared some time for myself too. Yeah, it was like that, and we are in the beginning of summer. I can just easily say that because the weather was not that good. Like, I mean, summer came here like later than the usual, and I think it was like that for the most places. I know that it was kind of rainy all the time, but it's good for the plants. So that was a seagull. Like I was saying, I love this place. It's like the best location. I love my home, but it's during the summertime especially, you can hear everything, and there are like a lot of seagulls. They're laughing at us. I don't know, it's like so loud in here. You will be like, where's she living? This is like in the city, you know, like, but it's the seaside. I'm not gonna complain anymore. It's like, I love them. We also did a little decoration, as you might have noticed already. This wall was like the same color with the other walls. We moved in this place for exactly 1.5 years ago, and this was kind of an idea for us to do. We always find excuses for not to do, because when it comes to home projects, I don't think you're just like doing right away. During some holidays or something, we kind of had good 2 days to do this, and we painted green, and I love it so much. I think it's kind of really matching with all the furniture. I love it. I need absolutely more colorful objects for this shelf. I know I haven't been filming that much, but I was kind of into other content in Instagram Live. I'm actively using it right now with the new account. I hope you follow that too. And for here, I'm also sharing little shorts. I'm enjoying them too. I hope you do too. Let me know if you want to see something else. I will just finish this and we will get ready and go to Çeşme. Probably it's gonna be 1-day trip. We're just gonna spend time in the beach. There is no other plans, literally nothing. Yeah, so we're going together. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know. So see you in a bit. I made 3 sandwiches. 2 of them is the same, but one of them is different. So I just have in this mayo, mustard, and a few slices of cucumber, cheese, and turkey. This one is the same, but this one has lettuce, red onion, and schnitzel. It's like leftover schnitzel is best for a sandwich. So this is actually, it's gonna be lunch, dinner type of thing, I think. So I added a few more things because food is what's important when you are going to the beach and you're having a full beach day. So we have corn and we have some nuts, and I put some cookies in it. And this is the cool lime mix. We got gin, so it's gonna be a good easy cocktail. And what else? Well, that's it pretty much. ready actually. We got everything and now we're gonna hit the road. Yay! We just stopped in the gas station. We will continue, but I think we will be there like half hour later or something. It's noon, so it's not too early, it's not too late. We have good 6-7 hours in the beach. We will have a great time there. See you there.